Hello YouTube, it's me again, and today I have to tell you that I finally jumped the gun and I purchased myself the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, coming from someone who actually promotes alternative and affordable ways of doing vlogging by promoting other branded merchandise or stuff compared to the most expensive one, this is actually a complete 180 of what I've been doing. But I did it for some very good reasons. As some of you may know, that Amazon has launched their Prime deals for June, and a lot of people are actually waiting for that to get some discounts on the products they've been eyeing up for a while. In my case, I was actually looking out for the DJI clone, which is the Extra Muse, which is a spitting image of the DJI, and some people, or majority of you, think that Extra is actually the US version of the DJI and coming from the same company. Now, at Amazon, this Extra Muse camera is being sold for $329, which is a good price from the last time, which is closer to $500. So of course, it piqued my interest, and I started to see if I can purchase this using my credit card with a 6-month interest-free plan. In the middle of the purchase, I also came across Best Buy's website, in which they are promoting special prices on the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. For the price of $379, it is a very good price as opposed to the previous price of nearly $500. So, why do you think I chose the Osmo Pocket 3 over the Extra Muse? Well, I have 3 good reasons for that. If you think about it, Extra Muse is like an exact clone of the DJI, but with the discounted prices, it's still $50 cheaper than the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. Now, here are the reasons why I chose the DJI over the Extra Muse despite that difference. Number 1 is accessories. The Extra Muse comes along with a carrying pouch, a charging cable, and a handle where you can actually screw in a tripod. The DJI Osmo, on the other hand, does not have a carrying pouch, but apart from the charging cable and the handle, you get a plastic protective sleeve and 2 extra filters. If you think about it, the 2 lenses that actually came along with the DJI Osmo may cost you around $10 to $15 if you buy them directly from the DJI site itself, being originals. Plus, of course, the plastic cover may cost you around $20 to $25 if you buy them directly, or you buy it directly from DJI. So, if you have these things go over to the Extra Muse, you're probably going to end up with the same price anyway. Number 2 reason is payment plan. Although it's attractive already when Amazon and your credit card offers 6 months interest-free plan on the Extra Muse, but I'd rather go with the 12 months interest-free plan because that would mean my payment each month is smaller compared to the 6-month one. And of course, there's no rush. By next year, I'm fully paid with no other problems. And the 3rd reason is I already bought myself a DJI Mic Mini. And since I'm already within the DJI ecosystem, I can use one microphone seamlessly from one equipment to another without having to change dongles all the time. So I think it's still another win. And rather than having the pouch, I'd rather have the plastic protective sleeve because this sleeve protects the actual lens better than the pouch. And you can put this in your pocket anytime and remove it as simple as pulling it out from the sleeve and use it straight away without any issues. So in terms of functionality, I don't think you can go wrong in getting either one of these 2, one being the exact clone of the other. So I'm pretty sure that whatever functions the other one has, the Extra Muse will also be able to do the same function. And as of late, the updated software or the firmware on the Extra Muse now allows seamless attachment or connection to DJI wireless mics without having to put a dongle attached to it. So in my case, I actually chose the DJI Osmo because of the accessories included, and of course, the length of time that I can actually spread out my payments in comparison to the one on Amazon. Amazon, depending on your credit card or whatever form of payment you have, you may be able to spread the cost over a 6-month period. But if you're a Best Buy card holder, you can spread the payments over a 12-month period without having any interest done. So despite this, I still firmly believe in purchasing affordable but good quality products for the new YouTuber and for their blogging needs. So to help out people like me, please press the like button, or if you'd like to make a comment, just leave it down below and I'll try to answer it the best I can. So until the next video, peace.
Hello there! If you find my video content interesting, entertaining, or even a bit educational, please help out small YouTubers like myself to like, share, or subscribe to our channel, because every little helps.